Hey creatives! Welcome back to CreArtiPen Studio. Did you miss me? Sorry, it's been a long time since my last upload. I've been a bit busy, but today I'm back because I have something new to share with you. Canva just introduced a new tool. Still pretty new, but it's very helpful for editing designs faster. So make sure you stay tuned. First, find a design that you like online. It can be from Pinterest, Google, or any design inspiration. Now here's the interesting part. Using Canva's magic layer tool, you can turn elements from the image into separate layers. That means you can select parts of the design and move them around freely. Instead of rebuilding the design from scratch, Canva helps you separate the elements automatically. Once they become layers, you can move them, resize them, change colors, or even replace parts of the design. This tool makes editing much easier and much faster, especially if you want to recreate or customize designs you find online. Just imagine what used to take a lot of time can now be done in just a few clicks. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoy learning Canva tips and tools like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Canva tutorials.